So students, now let's start activity 1.6 arithmetic progression part 2. So in this activity, we will learn how to find sum of arithmetic progression. So let's take first n odd natural numbers. Say 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7 and up to 2n minus 1. As you can see here, a equals to 1, that is our first term, and b equals to 2, that is 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So our common difference is 2. The sum of the given progression, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, sum of odd natural numbers is, so the formula to find the sum is n 2a plus n minus 1 into d upon 2. So let's substitute the values. N, a equals to 1, so 2 plus n minus 1, d equals to 2 upon 2. So we get n 2 plus 2n minus 2 upon 2, n 2 minus 2 0, 2n upon 2 equal to 2n square upon 2, which is equal to n square. So the sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square. So students, our objective for this activity is to verify that the sum of first n odd natural numbers is n square by an activity method. So procedure for the following activity is: step 1, take a squared paper of size n into n units, where n is equal to 10. Step 2, paste it on a white chart paper. Step 3, draw horizontal and vertical lines on the square to mark squares of dimension 1 into 1 unit. Step 4, mark these 10 squares with 10 different colors. Step 5. Mark black dot at the center of each small square. So now I will show you how the squares have been marked. So our first square is of dimension 1 by 1. This is our first square form. Now our second square will be of dimension 2 by 2. This is the second square. Now the third square will be of dimension 3 by 3. This is the third square. Now fourth square will be of dimension 4 by 4. So let's mark these squares. First square, second square, third square. Now next square will be of dimension 5 by 5. Similarly, now next value of n is 6, so 6, and here also we will take 6 squares. Next, n is 8, so 8 by 8. This is the next square, 8 by 8. Next square is 9 by 9. So this is the 9th square, and finally the 10th square, that is complete, and 10 by 10. In this way we have marked the 10 square by different colors. So students, our observation for this activity is: first, number of dots in 1 into 1 square, 1 by 1 square is equal to 1, so we can say 1 square. Second, number of dots in 2 by 2 square equals to 4, so we can say 2 square. Similarly, number of dots in 3 by 3 square equals to 9, that is 3 square. Number of dots in square 4 by 4 equals to 16, So we can write it as 4 square. Similarly, number of dots in square 5 by 5 dimension equals to 25. So we can write it as 5 square. Similarly, so the number of dots in 2 by 2 square equals to 1 plus 3 equals to 4 equals to 2 square. Similarly, in 3 by 3 square, number of dots 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 9 equals to 3 square. Number of dots in 4 by 4 square, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 equals to 16 equals to 4 square. Number of dots in 5 by 5 square is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 equals to 25, that is equal to 5 square. Similarly, number of dots, that is number of dots in 2 by 2 square is 1 plus 3, 4. Number of dots in 3 by 3 square is 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9. Number of dots in 4 by 4 square is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is 16. Number of dots in 5 by 5 square is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 equals to 25. That can be written as 5 square. Now number of dots in n by n square equals to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2n plus 1 equals to n square. In this way, we have proved that the sum of odd natural numbers is n square, that is an arithmetic progression.